I've been following PCEX for a while now, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's actually safe or just another risky platform in 2025. PCEX markets itself as a crypto exchange offering high-yield returns, fast withdrawals, and easy onboarding for new users. At first glance, everything seems legit. It has a clean dashboard, referral bonuses, and a usual trading interface. But once you dig deeper, there are some serious red flags that can't be ignored. Several users have raised concerns about not being able to withdraw their funds, and in many cases, customer support becomes unresponsive once a user tries to cash out larger amounts. That alone is a major red flag in the crypto space. What's even more concerning is the platform's recent push to migrate users over to a new site under the name pcex.xyz, claiming it's just a brand upgrade. But if you've been around crypto long enough, you know that rebranding and asking users to transfer funds to a new domain is often a tactic used when a project starts losing trust or comes under regulatory scrutiny. To be clear, there's no verified licensing or credible third-party audits available for PCEX. No matter how attractive the returns may look on a dashboard, if you can't reliably withdraw your money, it's not worth the risk. So here's the bottom line. PCEX might look like a functioning platform, but the combination of sketchy withdrawal practices, lack of transparency, and rebranding tactics makes it hard to recommend. If you value your funds and peace of mind, you're better off sticking to well-established exchanges with verified licenses. I hope this review helped you stay informed. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.